Today, I'm going to teach you how to add realistic fog in Roblox Studio. First, open Roblox Studio and load the experience where you want to add the fog effect. And before we start, if this video helps you, make sure to subscribe and leave a like. After opening Roblox Studio, we're going to change a few settings inside the Explorer tab. If you don't have the Explorer tab open, just click on Window and then click Explore or press Alt-X on your keyboard. Once the Explorer tab is open, click on Lighting. This is where we'll configure everything related to the fog effect. The first thing we're going to do is expand the lighting menu and add an atmosphere object. Inside Atmosphere, to create the fog effect, go to the Haze option and increase the value a little bit. You'll notice that the sky immediately starts to look more cloudy and atmospheric, just like this. But that alone is not enough. We also want to add a bit of glare. You could adjust this however you like depending on the look you want for your game. Now, you may notice that the fog is mostly visible in the sky, but not really near the ground where the player actually is. To fix that, stay inside the Atmosphere settings and scroll down to the Appearance section. Here, you'll find the Density option. Increase the density value until you find a fog level that looks good for your game. This is what really adds that thick fog effect around the player. For the Offset option, I personally recommend keeping it fairly low. When the value is too high, the fog usually stops looking realistic. So basically, keep adjusting the density until you find the perfect atmosphere for your game. Now, here's an extra tip to make the fog look even more realistic. Go back to the Explorer tab, click on Lighting, and then open the Properties window. Inside the lighting settings, change the lighting style to Realistic. This will improve the overall look of the fog and lighting in your game. You can also reduce the brightness slightly if you want the atmosphere to feel more natural and immersive. Another thing you can do is soften the shadows a little bit to make everything blend together more realistically. And don't forget that you can also change the in-game time. Just drag the time slider left or right depending on whether you want daytime, sunset, or nighttime. If you want your game to have more of a horror atmosphere, I recommend lowering the exposure settings as well. This reduces the overall brightness of the game and creates a darker, eerier environment. And that's basically how you add realistic fog in Roblox Studio. The best part is experimenting with all of these settings until you create the exact atmosphere you want for your game.